In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best cordless chainsaws available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the cordless chainsaws list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the cordless chainsaws mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Worx 20V Cordless Chainsaw. The Worx Cordless Chainsaw stands out with its brushless motor, ensuring a longer lifespan and enhanced efficiency. The automatic oil pump keeps the chain lubricated during operation, reducing wear and tear. Operating at 5650 RPM with a chain speed of 10 meters per second, it delivers swift and precise wood cutting. Its compatibility with the green battery platform adds versatility, allowing users to interchange batteries across Worx's range of cordless tools, making it a practical choice for those invested in a unified battery system. This cordless chainsaw's link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 4, KAKYOIN 20V Brushless 10-inch Handheld Electric Saw. This handheld electric saw from KAKYOIN is a versatile and portable solution for woodworking and pruning tasks. The 10-inch chain provides ample cutting capacity, while the brushless motor ensures efficient and reliable performance. Its cordless design enhances maneuverability and convenience during operation, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The tool's ergonomic design and lightweight construction contribute to user comfort, making it suitable for extended use without fatigue. Number 3, Brushless Electric Saw 1280W 6-inch Chain Saw. This 21V cordless chainsaw is a powerful tool for woodworking and garden trimming, featuring a robust 1280W brushless electric motor. The 6-inch chain ensures precise cutting, making it suitable for various tasks around the garden and workshop. The inclusion of a 4000 mAh battery provides ample power for extended use, and the cordless design allows for freedom of movement without the hassle of cords and outlets. It's a versatile tool for users looking for a reliable and efficient chainsaw for a range of applications. Number 2, Greenworks GD40CS 40V 1500W Chainsaw. The Greenworks GD40CS chainsaw combines power and convenience with its 40V battery system and 1500W brushless motor. The 12 meters per second chain speed ensures efficient and quick wood cutting. The brushless motor not only enhances performance but also extends the tool's lifespan. With its cordless design, this chainsaw provides the freedom to tackle outdoor cutting tasks without the limitations of power outlets. It's a reliable choice for users seeking a high-performance cordless chainsaw from a reputable brand like Greenworks. Number 1, SEESII 8-inch Brushless Chainsaw with Battery. The SEESII brushless chainsaw is a portable powerhouse equipped with an 8-inch chain and a 1500W brushless motor. Perfect for garden pruning and tree branch cutting, this cordless chainsaw comes with a rechargeable battery for convenience. The brushless motor ensures durability and efficient operation, while the 8-inch chain allows for precise and controlled cutting. With its portability and powerful performance, the SEESII chainsaw is an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable and versatile tool for various outdoor cutting tasks.